Well, if you're going to impede my investigation, then I might put charges on you.
I plead the Fifth. Therefore, I cannot impede your investigation. You don't have the right to make me incriminate myself.
All I need is your information, and I will get...
Am I a suspect in a crime?
Well, you're going to be here soon if you don't give me the information.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's story was submitted by the channel Plead the Fifth, who on September 24th of 2022 was sitting on her front porch after a dispute she had with her neighbor. Following the argument, she was approached by Trooper Synagoga of the Pennsylvania State Police.
Her and she was coming out anyway.
You plead the Fifth as far as that.
Trooper Synagoga, what's going on?
Just came out on my porch and yelling ensued. So
You started it.
you didn't we started it. Not who started it. It's not. You want to talk about who started things? How about when I was trying to warn her kids were around the side of her house and she immediately started screaming at me and my
All
child?
right, so did this happen tonight?
No.
Then let's talk about tonight then. What happened right now?
Didn't she just tell you?
Yeah, but I'm here getting your side of the story.
Is there anything I need to defend against? No.
I mean, I'm trying to give you the opportunity to say your side. Everyone has a side. They have one. You have one as well. So,
Well, I'd like to know if there's anything I need to defend against to, let you know that it didn't happen that way.
well, is there?
Well, I have a right to the Fifth, so I don't have to explain my side of the story.
You're not under custody, ma'am. So there's no reason to plead the Fifth.
Yeah, there is.
No, there isn't.
For some reason, we see officers reject your Fifth Amendment rights often, claiming that you don't need or can't plead the Fifth because you're not under arrest. The truth is, you have the right to plead the Fifth at any time of your choosing, regardless of being under interrogation or in custody. No agent of the state can compel you to speak, especially against yourself. While pleading the Fifth can be used against you in a civil case, pleading the Fifth cannot be used against you in a criminal case. But if you waive your rights and talk, you can bet your life that anything you say will be used against you in court, whether you said it under an official interrogation, in custody, or not.
I would like to talk about this dog bite.
Ma'am, I'm here for the incident that happened between you and your neighbor. Are you
Putting charges on me, or are you putting charges on her?
Well, if you're going to impede my investigation, then I might put charges on you.
For what?
I just because you're impeding my investigation. All I'm trying to do is get your side of the story.
You have your phone recorded? Right there.
Okay, that's fine.
I plead the Fifth. Therefore, I cannot impede your investigation because you don't have the right to make me incriminate myself.
But I am not suspecting you of a crime, ma'am. I'm just here getting your side of the story of an interaction.
But I don't have to tell my side of the story.
Despite several years of service in the military and as a law enforcement officer, Trooper Synagoga appears to be unfamiliar with the rights of his constituents and the constitutional limitations to his authority. He now threatens her with criminal charges if she refuses to forfeit her right to remain silent, even though the charge of obstruction requires that one intentionally impairs or perverts the administration of law or other governmental functions by force, violence, physical interference, or obstacle. Plead the Fifth has done none of the above, but against all advice, she now offers a few answers to the trooper's questions.
I can help you with any questions, possibly, if I want to answer them.
All right, so did you interact with your neighbor across the street?
Yes, I interacted with her.
What did you say to her?
I said her music sucks.
Okay, what else did you say?
I'm sure she showed you a video.
Yes, I have a video of you walking across the street. Were you trying to instigate something?
I was just telling them that I have the right to record from public. That's a public alley. It's a public alley.
All right. This is how this is going to go, okay? All right, obviously this is just a dispute, okay?
It is.
All right, so leave your neighbors alone, okay? And that'll be the end of it.
I'm allowed to be on my porch. She
Yes,
was very upset that I was recording her from my porch, which
But why are you recording her? What's the reason to record her?
Because I wanted to.
But there's no point.
I don't have to have a reason.
All right.
I don't have to have a reason to record. But I would like to press charges for this dog bite.
All right. Well, I'm not here for that. I'm here for this. Okay. So this is how this is going to go. All right. There's no charges. There's no nothing. All right. All I'm asking, all right, is that you stay on your porch, okay, but leave your neighbor alone. All right.
You're saying we can't press charges for a dog bite?
I'm not. If you want to do that, then you can come. You can call into the station and you can do that. I'm not here for that. Okay. I'm here for this. I'm here for a dispute between you and your neighbor. Okay. So I'm going to get your information.
No, you're not.
You're not going to give me your information.
No.
Why?
Not unless you threaten me to arrest me.
So you're going to impede my investigation. All I need is your information, and I will get.
Am I a suspect in a crime?
Well, you're going to be here soon if you don't give me the information. All I need the information is for the report.
I'm saying if you threaten me with arrest, I will give you my information.
So you're going to impede my investigation?
No, I just said if you threaten me with arrest, I will just give it to you.
I need your information.
Are you going to arrest me if I don't give it to you?
Yes, if you continue to do this.
That's fine. That's fine. I'll go get my information for you.
I don't need you. I don't need you to go inside. I just need your name, date of birth, all that information, and that's it. Okay?
You do realize that you have no immunity now. You're impeding on my rights.
No, I'm not.
I am not suspected of any crime. So therefore, I have the right to remain silent.
My investigation.
That is not.
That is a crime.
Oh, you're gonna learn a lesson.
All right.
You're gonna learn a lesson.
So that's all I need. I just need your information, and we'll get on with our way. Okay.
Okay. You're threatening me with arrest. You're threatening me with kidnapping.
I am not threatening you with kidnapping.
That is kidnapping.
No, I'm not.
If there's no reason. If there's no reason to arrest me.
Unfortunately, her phone runs out of battery and the recording ends there. After speaking with her, I learned that because she was alone with her 3 children in the home at the time, that she felt cornered and supplied the trooper with her name and date of birth under duress. She has attempted to file a complaint but has told me that it didn't go over very well, which is odd considering that while she was not arrested or injured, similar and even smaller cases than this have opened up entire municipalities to civil action. To some, this incident may seem trivial, but the truth is, if you don't fight for your individual liberties, you don't have any. A big thanks to Plead the Fifth for sending this in. Her channel will be linked below. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.